Welcome to Memory, a collection of 18 engaging brain games designed to enhance your key cognitive skills: attention, spatial ability, decision-making, memory, and cognitive flexibility. To get started, search for Neuro Memory from the iOS Apple Store or Android Play Store and download the app. Next, create an account in Memory. Verify account through your email. Once done, log into your account. If this is your first time using the SenzeBand with a Neuro app, the app will automatically activate your free premium account. Connect the SenzeBand by tapping the Bluetooth icon to the left and pair your SenzeBand. You are successfully connected to the app when the SenzeBand image lights up green. After successful connection, tap the pencil and paper icon to access the assessment tool. Then, complete the assessment, which allows the app to suggest a cognitive training program that is suited to your current cognitive skills. Next, select the training program and choose your desired training intensity. You are all set. You may now follow the program and the games you need to play for the day. Finally, track your performance through the games with personalized cognitive scores after each game round.